Paypenny Wallet to Bank Account tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from your Paypenny wallet directly to your bank account.
So to get started, first is to open your Paypenny app and log in. On the home screen, tap Wallet to view your available balance. Next, tap on Withdraw or Wallet Transfer and select Bank Account as the withdrawal method. If you haven't added a bank account yet, tap Add New Account. Enter your bank name, account number, and IFSC code and confirm the details. Once saved, choose your bank from the list. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and make sure it's within your daily transfer limit. Review all the details and tap Confirm. You may receive a one-time password or OTP for verification. Enter the OTP to complete the transaction. The money will reflect in your bank account within 24 to 48 hours depending on the processing time. If there's a delay, check your email or transaction history for updates. PayPenny doesn't charge withdrawal fees, but check your bank for any incoming transfer changes. For higher limits, verify your KYC within the app. Always double check account numbers before sending funds. And that's how to transfer money from your PayPenny wallet to your bank.